Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the SIM card slot in Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to eject SIM tray, we need to use the pin that is included inside the box of the device. Over here I have mine, and now at the bottom of this device we will find the SIM tray over here on the left side, and here we have this hole, and we need to insert the SIM tray pin inside this hole. And once you have it in, you need to push just a little bit until the SIM tray comes out just slightly. And after that, we want to use our fingers in order to fully take it out. There we go. And now, over here, we have our SIM tray. We have the front. Over here, it even says face to screen. Maybe you can see that on the camera. Yeah. So we have the SIM slot, and of the reverse we have SIM 2, so we have 2 SIM slots in total. And in order to insert the SIM card, we need to match it with the a frame of the SIM slot. So in this case we have to place it like so, this side here. There we go. Let's push it in just a little bit. Oh, there we go. So once you hear a slight click, then you can be certain that the SIM card is inserted correctly. And now we can put the SIM tray back into the device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.